I'm hunting tiger with Febreze and Airwick. Let's go.
Shit's crazy.
Yo, I can smell that. Look at my nose. I think I got him. Let's go check him out. Stay here.
I gotta go help him. I tried getting him, but my pants, I fell down. You know what I'm saying?